This is Upama Sharpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and sign up for your BIP Messenger app on your mobile device. BIP is a leading messaging and communication application which is used by millions of users around the world regardless of the operator. BIP offers fast and secure messaging with a cutting-edge messaging technology. It allows you to send text and voice messages, make voice calls and video calls, as well as share images, documents, user location and other media. You can connect with friends, family groups from all over the world, and even send unlimited messages, pictures and video in the comfort of your home or while you are on the go. In short, it provides you free, secure and entertaining environment for all your communication needs, such as one-to-one and group messaging, disappearing messages, location tracking, buzz and hundreds of local stickers. With BIP Messenger, you can stay in touch with everyone and socialize without losing quality. It also has the instant translation feature, so whenever someone messages you in any language, it translates into your language easily. So if you want to use this BIP Messenger on your mobile device, you need to download it and create an account for yourself. In order to do that, you just have to watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to the Play Store application on your mobile device, then locate and tap on it to open. Once you are inside your Google Play Store, go to the search bar and search for BIP Messenger. In order to download this app on your mobile device, go to the Install option and tap on it. Now wait for the download to complete. Your next step will be to create an account or sign up for your BIP Messenger. In order to do that, locate on the BIP Messenger and tap on it to open. Here on the welcome page, go to the Continue option and tap on it. Tap and allow. By tapping on this, you allow the BIP Messenger to send and view SMS messages. Now enter your 10-digit mobile number. And once you have entered your mobile number, go to the Get Verification code and tap on it. Now if the number is incorrect, go to the Edit button and tap on it. And if you are confirmed that the number you entered is correct, then go to Yes and tap on it. Now the app will send you the verification code on your mobile number. Once you have verified your mobile number, the BIP Messenger directs you to another profile page where you can see the pop-up on your screen. In here, go and tap and allow in order to give BIP access to your photos, medias and files on your devices. Now on this page, you need to create your own unique username. Once you have typed in your username, this will appear on your BIP Messenger profile once you create your account. And to add your profile picture, you can go and click on the camera icon here and upload the photo from your gallery. Once you are done filling the information on your profile page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap and complete. Now go and tap an allow button in order to keep the BIP access to your contacts. Now once you are on the message page of your BIP Messenger, you have successfully created an account for your BIP Messenger. Now you can enjoy using your BIP Messenger without missing a moment worth sharing with your friends and family. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching that video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.